sister Vidya. Today we are making a video. Can I tell you what it is? It is about trees. Trees are very beautiful and they are very tall. Some are short. Let's learn about trees today. There are many different types of trees. They can be different shapes and sizes. We all see many trees. They are tall, big, small. We all know that. But how do they become? Let me explain you. This large tree is an oak tree. Trees are tall, woody plants that can live for hundreds of years. The top of the tree is called the crown. Leaves grow on the branches. The strong trunk supports the branches. The bark is the shell of a tree. It protects the trunk and branches from cold and damage. Do you know that? Water travels from the roots through the trunk to the branches. Roots grow deep underground. Do you know that? The spruce tree in Sweden is the oldest tree in the world. It is almost 10,000 years old. Every tree begins as a tiny seed. In spring, the seed starts to grow. Do you know the roots do what else? They hold the plant in place and suck up water and nutrients for the plant. Friends, when a plant grows, first the seed needs water, sunlight and air. I know you remember that in the video I made. Now let's go to the one we are on. So we are about to tell how plants grow into a tree or into a small plant. The first shoot and roots begin to grow from the seed. The roots suck up water. The shoot grows up to the surface with buds and leaves. Heat from the sun and water from the soil help the seedling grow into a sapling. After many years, this green sapling will grow into a tall fir tree. Trees need food to help them grow. Trees use sunlight, water, and air called carbon dioxide to make their food. Do you know that? The stem and veins carry the water to the leaf. It is like a playground for water to ride. No, do you know how air goes into the leaf? There are some holes in the leaf, so air can go in. Now, leaf has already got sunlight, water, and air to make food. Do you know how they make it? There is a factory called chloroplast, and inside there is a pigment called chlorophyll. With the help of all these, the foods are making inside the leaf. Food goes up the part of the tree and they spill a gas called oxygen, which we use to breathe. Mostly the food goes into fruits, which we eat, not meat, fish, only fruit and vegetables. This process is called photosynthesis. There are thousands of different kinds of trees. There are three main tree groups. Broadleaf trees have bushy crowns with many branches. Evergreen trees are tall and have straight trunks. They don't bend. Palm trees have big leaves with bendy trunks. Palm leaves are sometimes called fronds. This is a sycamore leaf. A sycamore is a broadleaf tree. These spiky leaves are from an evergreen tree. Some broadleaf trees look very different at different times of year. Friends, do you know in which season the tree is covered with lots of leaves? It's in summer. As the weather gets colder, the leaves turn orange and red and they start to fall. Do you know what happened next? The leaves fall into the ground and the trees stay bare all winter long. In spring, new leaves start to grow on the tree. It's like reborning. When leaves turn orange and red, they fall from the branches. Evergreen trees are never bare. They lose their leaves and grow new ones all year long. Some trees grow flowers in spring. Many flowers attract insects with their smell. Inside the flower, there is a sweet juice called nectar and the sticky powder called pollen. When insects drink the nectar, pollen sticks to their body. When insects go to another flower in the same plant, some of the pollen rubs off. The tree uses pollen from another flower to make seeds. Honeybees do a special dance to tell each other where to find nectar. After the flowers die, fruits start to grow. There is a seed inside each fruit. Hard fruits are called nuts and cones. These squirrels are eating a chestnut. When birds and animals eat fruits, they swallow the seeds too. The seeds are spread by the birds and animals in their droppings. If the seeds fall on the right soil, they grow into new seedlings. Lots of different plants and mushrooms grow on trees. Moss is a furry green plant that grows on tree trunks. In damp forests, mistletoe grows on tree branches. Its roots suck water and nutrients from the branches where they grow. Orchids grow on rainforest trees. Its roots suck up water from the air. See how amazing plants are? Velvet foot mushrooms grow in tree trunks. They also grow in groups. Jack-o'-lantern mushrooms grow at the bottom of trees. They glow a spooky green at night. Lots of birds and animals make their homes in trees. Bald eagles build huge nests in very tall trees. The nests are called eyrie. Raccoons sleep in holes so they can stay warm during the cold winter. I like raccoons so much. Koalas sleep for the most of the time in eucalyptus trees. They eat the leaves too. This squirrel has made a snug home for its babies in a hollow tree. All trees need water to survive, but some trees can grow in very dry places. Giant trees grow in India deserts. Their long roots suck water. Their long roots reach far underground so they can absorb water. African baobab trees have huge trunks that they can store water for the dry summer months. It is very incredible, no? Pujam trees grow in dry parts in America. Their wood holds lots of water like a sponge. Do you know that? The world's forests are in danger. Trees are being destroyed by people and fire. Forest fires sometimes start in very dry places during very hot weather. This fire in the USA killed thousands of trees. Trees are chopped down so the wood can be used for food and to make paper. Forests are cleared so land can be used for farming and to build towns and roads. Even tiny beetles can be dangerous. Some carry diseases that kill trees. So you know how unfortunate this is. So for the future, we can save trees. The only thing is we can recycle paper, plant trees, and we can save trees. So we will be alive more than we are. So I am asking you, we can recycle things and plant more trees. Used paper can be recycled to make new paper and cardboard. This means that fewer forests are destroyed. In some forests, new trees are planted to replace ones that are chopped down. Trees are protected in national parks. These trees grow in high rocky cliffs in the Grand Canyon National Park in the US. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. So until next time, see you, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.